We can easily communicate with people far away using a mobile phone. Through video call, we can speak face to face like our beneficial person. Any place and from any time, we can speak like our beneficial person. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you everybody? Today I will share you about benefits of using a mobile. Then I am starting. We can easily communicate with people far away using a mobile phone. Through the video call, we can speak face to face, that which strengthens our bond further. Anytime and from any place, we can speak like our beneficial person. Here, I have given you some information about contacting regarding this mobile facility. Thus, I will share you about the benefits of using a mobile phone. Now, the age of technology. Do you know how do we collect information? Through the internet, mobile phone helps us to get the information. Besides that, we can know weather, news, and many other things through the mobile phone. We can buy from online from home. It saves our time and makes shopping easier. And mobile phone helps us to all things. When we during a long journey, mobile phone helps us to entertain. Listening to a song, playing a game, watching a video. Mobile phone provide us to entertain. It helps us to release in our daily stress. Mobile phone helps through educational apps, website. It helps us to learn. Many educational institutions providing education through the online classes. Mobile phones are serving as a powerful medium. At the last point, I am telling you friends, mobile phone is a very important part of our life, but their rules are very important. At the next video, I will share you disadvantage of using a mobile. Assalamu alaikum.